In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a poll to your Constant Contact email campaign. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a simple, engaging poll inside your email so you can collect quick feedback and boost interaction without sending readers to a separate page. First, open Constant Contact and head to your campaign's area to find the email you're working on. If you've already created a draft, select it. If not, open the most relevant email in your campaign list. Once you're looking at the right email, click to edit so you're taken into the drag and drop email editor. Pick the section of your message where a poll will make the most sense. Polls usually perform best after a short introduction or just before your main call to action, when readers are warmed up and ready to engage. Next, look for the poll, survey, or feedback block in the content panel. Depending on your template or account, it might be labeled a little differently, but it will be the element designed to collect quick responses. If you don't see it right away, try the search bar in the editor or scan sections like interactive or more. Then drag that block into your email and drop it exactly where you want it to appear. Now add your poll question and answer choices. Keep the question short, specific, and neutral so it's easy to understand at a glance. Offer clear choices, ideally 3 to 5, and avoid overlap between options. If your editor allows it, you can adjust whether people can select one choice or multiple, and you can style the buttons or links to match your brand colors for consistency. Aim for large, tappable buttons that are easy on mobile devices and keep surrounding text brief so the poll stands out. With your question and options set, make sure the block is positioned cleanly in your layout. Check spacing above and below the poll, align it with your other content, and confirm it doesn't crowd images or long paragraphs. A clean layout increases participation and reduces reader confusion. Finally, preview and test before you send. Use the desktop and mobile previews to confirm the poll looks great on all screens. Click each option in Preview or a Test Send to verify links work as expected and responses are tracked correctly. Send a test email to yourself, open it on a phone and a computer, and double-check colors, contrast, and alignment. Save your changes, and that's all it takes to add a poll to your Constant Contact email. You're ready to gather quick insights right from your subscribers' inboxes.